but you're never gonna be me. Look the other way.
Doc, welcome to the channel where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates on the newest vehicles. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Toyota Minivan, a perfect blend of comfort, innovation, and efficiency. Designed to cater to families and long-distance travelers, this minivan comes with a modern aesthetic, a spacious cabin, and cutting-edge technology. Toyota has equipped this model with a sleek, aerodynamic exterior that enhances its overall efficiency while maintaining a stylish appearance. LED headlights and taillights provide better visibility, and the sliding doors ensure convenience for passengers, especially in tight spaces. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Minivan offers a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, providing a smooth driving experience. Depending on the trim level, you can expect a hybrid powertrain option that enhances fuel economy without compromising performance. The advanced suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The transmission is designed for seamless gear shifts, making city and highway driving effortless. Toyota has also prioritized fuel efficiency, making this minivan an excellent choice for families looking for both power and savings. Inside, the cabin is all about comfort and technology. The spacious seating arrangement provides ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. Premium upholstery, adjustable seats, and climate control contribute to a luxurious ride. The infotainment system is equipped with a large touchscreen display, offering smartphone connectivity, navigation, and entertainment options. Multiple USB ports and wireless charging keep devices powered throughout the journey. The sound system delivers high-quality audio, ensuring a pleasant experience for passengers. Safety is another key aspect of the 2025 Toyota Minivan. Equipped with Toyota's latest safety suite, it includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies enhance driver confidence and passenger protection. Parking sensors and blind spot monitoring further contribute to a secure driving experience. In terms of cargo space, the Toyota Minivan excels with foldable rear seats, creating extra room for luggage, groceries, or any other cargo needs. The smart storage compartments throughout the cabin add to the practicality of the vehicle. With all these incredible features, the 2025 Toyota Minivan is an excellent choice for those who prioritize comfort, technology, and safety. It is designed to meet the needs of modern families and travelers looking for a reliable and stylish minivan. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more exciting updates on the latest vehicles.